In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to download Rosetta 2 on Mac, specifically Apple Silicon Mac, so basically M1, M2 or M3 chip, okay? So let's get started now. Now the method one is basically the recommended method and it usually happens and you won't even notice it, okay? So whenever you open an application, for example, if I go here to the application section and if I go over to the kind, if you open anything that has this application under the kind thingy, it's gonna give you a pop-up. You need to download Rosetta for this, and then you can just go ahead and click on install, enter your password, and you're good to go. And you have downloaded Rosetta 2 instantly, okay? And you might not even have noticed, okay? Now, however, if it wasn't installed, then there's also a manual way of doing it, okay? Now for that, you first of all have to go to your terminal, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and type in terminal, and there I go. Now, first of all, you can check if you have Rosetta, okay? Now to check, you have to use this command, okay? So I'm just gonna copy this. You can just go ahead and type this in right there. I paste it, okay? And let me paste it and enter. Now if when I did that, it says command not found. That means that Rosetta 2 is not there on my laptop, and that makes sense because I'm using an Intel Mac. It doesn't make sense for Rosetta 2 to be in an Intel Mac because they're usually for the Apple Silicon Macs, so the M1, M2, M3 chip, yeah? Now to download Rosetta 2, what you have to do is you have to use this command, and this is the manual way. So just copy that and paste it in command and click on enter, okay? So for you, it should continue. It shouldn't give you an error like this. For me, it says that installing Rosetta 2 on the system is not supported, while obviously this is an Intel Mac, not an Apple Silicon Mac. However, if you're on an Apple Silicon Mac, it's gonna ask you to enter your password. You type in your password, laptop password, click on enter, and there you go. It's successfully downloaded. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.